The identity stack, layering your commercial ghost for maximum leverage. Most people know exactly who they are when they look in the mirror: name, history, values, and the people they love. That's the personal side, and it's untouchable. But who are you commercially? In the cold, rain-slicked world of finance, there are two versions of every person: the one who breathes and the one who exists on contracts, credit reports, and tax returns. Most people let that second version happen to them by accident. They sign whatever is shoved under their nose and use the social security number they were assigned like a brand on a steer. But the elites? They don't let their commercial identity happen, they build it layer by layer like a fortress. This isn't a sovereign citizen myth, it's a blueprint for the identity stack. Let's address the elephant in the room. The sovereignty space got the observation right, but the remedy was a total disaster. They noticed the straw man, the documented version of you, but they told you to file a UCC, go private, and declare yourself a king. Guess what? The system doesn't respond to declarations, it responds to documentation. You don't win by rejecting the system, you win by understanding the rules and building inside of it exactly the way the architects intended. When a major corporation walks into a bank, the lender doesn't care about the CEO's soul, they care about the corporation's documented profile, its revenue, its legal structure, and its assets. That separation isn't a fringe theory, it's standard operating procedure for anyone accessing serious capital. You are being blocked by three symptoms of the same root cause: underdeveloped commercial identity. These are your credit position, your legal structure, and your financial knowledge. If your credit is weak, it's because the documented version of you doesn't reflect your true value. If you have no legal structure, you're operating as a naked individual exposed to every liability and judgment the system can throw at you. The identity stack solves this in 4 deliberate layers. Layer 1, the personal credit profile. This is your foundation. You cannot be late on payments, one slip up can tank your score by 100 points. You must manage your utilization, the ratio of what you owe to what you have, and keep your oldest accounts open. Without this foundation, the rest of the stack is just a house of cards. Layer 2 is the business entity, the limited liability company or LLC. This is the separation you were actually looking for. Forget the secret trusts and status corrections. A $50 to $300 state filing creates a documented legal entity that every bank and court recognizes. Business obligations sit in the entity, not in your personal name. Layer 3 is the business credit profile. Once you have an IN, you can build credit independently of your personal score. Register for a Dun & Bradstreet number and open net 30 vendor accounts. Pay them early, not just on time, to shoot your Paydex score up to 80 or more. This is how you access capital without being a beggar at the bank's door. Finally, we reach Layer 4, the trust structure. This is the most misunderstood piece of the puzzle. A trust isn't a magic wand for debt discharge or accessing secret accounts. It is a vault for preserving what you've built. A properly structured irrevocable trust with a separate trustee, who must not be you, protects your property and business equity from future personal creditors. If a judgment is entered against you personally, they can't reach what's inside the vault. But listen closely, if you don't have assets to protect, why are you obsessing over a trust? Don't put a high-tech security system on a beat-down station wagon. Build the wealth first through layers 1, 2, and 3, then use the trust to lock the door. The power isn't in a secret bond or a coupon, it's in a documented commercial identity that says you are a reliable partner. You outstructure the system instead of fighting it. Every wealthy person follows this same blueprint, regardless of their industry. Most people spend their lives with a commercial identity that happened to them by accident, but you now have the blueprint to build one deliberately, layer by layer, move by move. It's time to stop reacting and start constructing. Please subscribe so you will be notified of new uploads. Press the like button, it helps our algorithm. Thanks for watching.